Hi guys, it's Steve from Techie Tips, and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your mouse and your pointer. So you know when you see some people doing presentations and their mouse is highlighted so it makes it easier to see on the screen? Well, this little tutorial will show you exactly how to do that. So first of all, what we'll do is we'll fire up Google Chrome and we'll search for a website called Real World Graphics. So this will be the website if you just click on it, and you'll see the site here. There's a number of options here. What you want is you want to click on this gallery one at the top here. So if we click on gallery, and then we can search for the type of cursor that we want. So if we search for example, cursor highlight, then we can pick any one of these cursor highlights. So I particularly like this one down here, yellow highlight. So we'll click on it and you'll see the download button just here. So what we'll do is we'll download it. Doesn't take very long, and we'll open the file and we'll go show in folder, and it should be in our downloads folder, which it is right here. Now we could just leave it there, but I like to keep things in order. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the mouse, cut, and I'm going to go to my C drive. So if you click on this PC, C drive, and then Windows, you'll see a file in here called cursors, and this is where all your cursors are stored. So we'll now come over to the right hand side of the screen, we'll right click and we'll paste it in. Now it's saying replace this file because I've already copied it over, but I'm just showing you how to do it. So we'll replace the file in the destination. We press continue, and boom, here we have at the bottom our yellow highlighted cursor. So once we've got the script in our Windows cursor folder, we can go over to settings, if we type in mouse settings, and on here you'll see additional mouse options on the right hand side, and then if we go to pointers, this tab here, what we can do is we can go and we can then browse to where we save that cursor file to. So it's already in cursors, so it was C drive, Windows and cursors, and here we can see the yellow highlight one. So we'll click on that, we'll open it, we'll apply it, we'll click OK, and now you can see that I've got a nice yellow highlighted cursor which you can see moves around the screen. Now if you're doing a presentation, that's great, but let's just say that you didn't want that you wanted to turn this highlighter off. So you simply go into additional mouse options, same as we did before, go to pointers, and then in here what we can do, we can go none, we can go apply, we can click OK, and now you can see that it's gone again. And if we want to turn it back on, we go to pointers, we click on browse, yellow highlighter, and what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to save it. Okay, so I'm going to save as, and I'm going to call it cursor highlight. Click save, click apply, and click OK. So now if we want to turn it off, in the mouse settings we go to additional mouse settings, pointers, and you can see that we've got cursor highlight selected here, so it's always available for us, or we can just click none, click apply, and then we're back to our normal cursor. So again, because we've saved it now, we can go to this drop down menu here, cursor highlight, click apply, OK, and there we have our cursor with a highlight around it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please subscribe for more techie tips, and please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.